In here we have a speaker. What is it going to be useful? Like our normal voice calls, we press on the speaker and use it. On the video calls, by default we switch on the speaker, because right now we are talking with this way because it is a video call, so it will automatically switch to the speaker. With this option, with this button, you can switch between a speaker and the normal audio call. In here we have video. If you want to switch to the video call, you can use this button. It is mute. In here we have the mute. What is mute? For example, you are calling right now, someone talks to you and you don't want that the person you are calling to him listen about this, so you use mute. It will mute your microphone. And in here we have end call. End call is simple. Okay, all done. This is all of the things about the video call.